small basketers in the Philippines.
Si Marvin kasi kapag siya ang kalaban challenge ako.
Since before naman, tingin ko Harbor Center. Pag crucial din, nandun sila. Mas gumagaling sila. Come watch the PBL games on Basketball TV.
Okay, pagka umehel, pakita kayo. Late night, pagka umehel, pakita.
Okay, you heard the tail end of that huddle nitong si Coach George Gallant at ang Harbor Center. And right now, it's just a 4-point lead, mga kaibigan, 77-73. And look at that, mga kaibigan, one timeout left for both both teams in the penalty. And with a minute and 6, this will definitely, no doubt about it, go down the wire.
That's right. Alam mo, itong defensive stop na to magiging pinakamalaking play dito para sa Cebuana Luwiller. And if they would want to cushion their lead naman on the other side, Harbor will have to make sure that they score in this possession.
So De La Peña, papalitan muna dito ni Mike Bircher. Maki Escalona, 15 points, together with 4 rebounds and 6 big assists. Wow.
But you know, Maki has not scored here in the fourth quarter. Same thing with Doug Kramer. Zone defense being played right here by Cebuana Luwiller.
Here's it now. Harbor Center looking to add on to their lead. Belga to Castro. Bang!
Great passing that time. Great flash on the elbow para dito kay Bo Belga. Still a 2-possession ball game, just a 6-point lead. They've got to score on a 3-point shot early.
Ken Bono, ayun na, hinihingi mo. Coach Allen, that was for you.
Single possession, first 3-point shot para dito sa Cebuana Luwiller. They just have to make this stop right here. No fouls, play good defense.
And it couldn't have come at a better time para dito kay Ken Bono. A big 3 to lower the lead to 3 points. Lanete, oh! What a tough shot, Coach Allen. Whoa, boy.
I thought it was gonna be a long shot. I felt masyadong naging malakas yung tira, no? Pero because of his follow through, the ball simply uses the board and knocks in the 2-point shot. 5-point lead, 21.7 seconds para sa Harbor Center.
Scintillating sequence of events, mga kaibigan, dito sa fourth quarter. Palitan ng putok for both of these squads. The big 3 from Ken Bono. Pinalitan naman sa kabilang dulo ng walang kakabog-kabog na outside shot para dito kay Chico Lanete. 11 points in the game for the main man of Harbor Center. 81-76, 21.7 remaining in game number 1. Again, a classic finish here in the PBL.
That's right, 21.7. You know, all is not lost para dito sa Cebuana, pero padala. I think they have to score in the next 5 seconds and try to make a stop as soon as possible because time is definitely not on the side of Coach Luigi Trillo.
Okay, let's listen to Coach Luigi.
I want you to find Kenneth Man, the guy coming down. I can do the screen. Get up. Okay, get Kenneth. 3-point shot. One way, he comes down, one way to the inside. Okay, now, if you're inside, mark. Go back to the ball. We hit. Hands up to back, we got the goal. You got to kick here together. Okay, that's right. Right there. Do it again. Casey coming tight for Chris. Casey.
Okay, mga kaibigan, you heard that huddle. And tingnan natin, hearing and executing are two different things. And with this much time remaining, it's going to be crucial right now. 81 for Harbor Center, 76 for Cebuana Luwiller.
And you know, I'm very, very sure Coach Luigi would want to set up for an early 3-point shot. Pero narinig natin that if Harbor Center would close out, they might as well penetrate and use the 2 points in a very, very quick manner. So let's see what kind of play Coach Luigi has in store for us here in the last 21.7 seconds.
Escalona will be the one doing the side court throw-in. 21.7 seconds remaining. At meron pa yata ditong discussion. Mike Bircher almost didn't make it.
Correction, Kelvin De La Peña for Chris Biardo.
So Kelvin De La Peña checks back in for Chris Biardo. Escalona ngayon. This will be a crucial play for Cebuana Lhuillier. Escalona to Ken Bono. Bono faking it, bringing it closer. Bono the floater, and he scores.
And that's the thing that we were saying. A quick 2 points, 17.3 seconds, and they're going to foul right here.
Maki Escalona giving up that foul. Laban dito kay Jason Castro.
Maki Escalona.
And Maki Escalona will call it a day. That's his 5th personal foul. And what a great performance from this guy, Maki Escalona.
Chris Biardo.
He could have been the best player if Cebuana is going to win this game. It's another top candidate for best player of the game, but all is not yet lost. Jason Castro will have to make even just one of these 2 shots. Again, to make it a 2-possession ball game. And he takes the first one and points to the bench of the Pera Padala Money Man.
Unti-unti nang sumasara dito ang pagkakataon for Cebuana Lhuillier as Jason Castro makes 2 for 2 from the free throw line. Here's Biardo having some problems. It gives it to Ken Bono. Here's Bono trying to get the contact, throws it up, and Lanete gets the rebound.
I think that's it. Only 4.9 seconds. He was fishing for that ball. Had to pick off it to see Bo Belga, but he stood his ground. Great defense by Bo Belga on that last possession of Cebuana Padala Money Man.
4.9 seconds remaining in game number 1. And mukhang ang Harbor Center ang makakuha ng unang panalo sa ating best of 5 series in the PBL Unity Cup Finals for 2007.
And it was because of that shot, that boarding shot in the elbow by Chico Lanete. That really paved the way. That really paved the way for this first win right here of Batang
Chico Lanete, second free throw. Icing on the cake, ika nga nila. And he makes it. 85-78. Take that 84-78, and Bono throws it up, and that will be it. Game number 1 is now part of PBL history. Harbor Center escaping with an 84-78 win. Laban dito sa koponan ng Cebuana Lhuillier, Pera Padala Money Men. A great ball game all throughout, Coach Allen. First quarter, nag-umpisa tayo mainit. Natapos tayo ng mainit. We expected that to happen anyway.
That's right. I said it once. I'll say it again. You know that both of these teams just wanting to win game 1.